In this video, we'll set up your development environment so you can start coding in JavaScript. We'll install Visual Studio Code, which is a popular coding editor. So let's get started. The first step should be to visit the official website at code.visualstudio.com and click on the download button. The website should automatically detect your operating system, but if it doesn't, you can select the correct version from the drop-down menu. After downloading the installer, run it and follow the installing instructions. The default settings should work for most users, but feel free to customize the options to your preference. If you have any issues during the installation process, I've linked some videos that will guide you through each step. Once installed, open it and you're now ready to write code. The first method to run JavaScript code is directly within Visual Studio Code, using the built-in Node.js runtime. To run your JavaScript code, you need to make sure you have Node.js installed. To check that, open up a terminal window if you're using a Mac, or CMD if you're using Windows. So let's do that. And run node version. If you don't receive the version and you don't have it installed, just visit the official website, nodejs.org, and download the appropriate version for your operating system. Then install Node.js following the instruction provided. After you do that, try running node version again and make sure it works. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code and let's create a new file. Let's go to File, New File, and select Text File, and type the following code. Console.log hello world, and save that into a folder that you will create. I already created JavaScript Beginners course. Now this code is meant to log the hello world string into the console. To see that, we need to open the terminal in VSCode. So let's go to terminal, new terminal, and type node console.js. And you will see the message displayed in the console. Congrats, you've now written the first line of code in JavaScript.